Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So guys, as you may know from my previous two videos, I'm in Trinidad right now, and you may notice I haven't been doing any regular uploads of maybe recipes or anything because I'm here in Trinidad because of my daughter. She just had a baby boy last week Tuesday. Well, we are so excited, we are happy. She's doing great and he is doing great, so I'm now taking the opportunity to share this news with you. Yeah, and you may find I'm talking a bit soft because he's sleeping right now on the other bed, so I'm talking soft, but I'm taking the opportunity to do this video quickly to share with you my great news, you know, and we are so overjoyed. Again, like I said, he's doing well. But a few days ago I did some footage. I did a footage of trying to get some doubles. It's not 100%, but I'll also share it with you. And also too, I got some footage of my daughter's mother-in-law making some Pholourie the traditional way, so I'll also share that with you in this video. So yeah, this is just something short, sharing with you what I'm doing right now. When I catch myself and I get some time, I'll be able to do some more videos, but I mightn't do too much cooking this trip because there's a little kind of like too much going on right now. So if I do get a chance to do any sort of a footage that I think I will share with you. So I hope forward to see you continue to support me, and I'll appreciate that very much. Okay, let's see what I got. So I'm at Irvine Street this morning, gonna get some doubles. My doubles fixed this morning. Irvine Street, baby. I want to see a sign. You can you're right, yeah. Excellent. So this is Mr. Rock hot doubles. Ready for me? Okay. 2 with pepper and 4 with, no, sorry. I'll give you the order. 2 without, I'm for my daughter, she's pregnant, and 4 with pepper.
I see.
Made with flour, split peas powder.
Split peas solid.
How I know it?
Then you writing?
From since I small
Writing is
grind split peas, yeah. So it's split peas powder, flour, some saffron powder, a little bit of curry powder, brown jeera, which I think they call cumin.
Yes, that's it.
And shadow belly cut up and grated garlic.
Any mixture?
Yeah. And according to who you're making it for, don't have nice cut up, chip up a little piece of hot pepper. and put in the dough.
When you say we make it, is that a good thing or
Not
bad thing?
everybody, no, not everybody can handle
It's
pepper,
spicy.
even if it's a little bit.
Okay, okay.
So if you make it for general public,
You don't put pepper.
I didn't even put a piece in the tamban and I find it was a little spicy, so I took it out. You
See, they're
know?
going to do anything, so I didn't put my pepper
Yeah.
because not everybody will eat pepper. So, you know?
Now normally if you go around the Queen's Park Savannah to buy Pholourie or anywhere else, you
I know
just
about that very well.
get flour,
Yeah.
saffron,
Yeah, you ain't getting the
and water.
You ain't getting peas.
With the little baking powder and the yeast for the rice.
Okay, my Trini hand is getting tired, so let's tie this up.
When I say Trini,
Oh, you see what she doing?
so she take anything. I don't know how to.
You can go above her.
Yeah.
Overhead.
You're gonna have to see it now.
Oh, her head go up here.
I didn't say that. You're trying to put me in trouble. Okay. But them Pholourie looking good, boy. Okay, I like the shape it's making this one.
When you do it like this, it tends to come out more wrong.
I hear them say so, but I never really put the interest to like learn the technique. I use a spoon. I don't make it often because you see the amount of oil, so I don't make it
I learned to
often.
do this because I used to sell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I have to learn to do this way. Because you get more out at a faster
Yes.
than if you spoon.
Okay. It's the heat and then it's the amount of oil. That's why I don't make it often. Remember when Kyla was pregnant?
For home.
Eh? For home, yeah.
For home often. And like if I have an order, like
You just get orders?
this last year we had, and I bought into the Sahina store, you know. So,
Oh, I thought you had to make some sahina.
Alright, $5 a minute plus tax, like 20. Don't know how to do maths.
especially if you like money.
Food.
So the fire is on what, high or medium?
Very high.
Very high?
Yeah. Must be high because you don't want your Pholourie to stay in the oil too long because then it will absorb the oil very early, you know. Even when you're doing
So I see
it.
you dip your hands in water.
Yeah, that's for it. The dough not to cake too much on your hand because what happens is as it dries it will make like a cement kind of thing on the hand.
I can release it now, you okay? I'm good with that.
You good? Alright.
That's a lot of food. When she open again,
Alright, this coming at a fee. Alright, she's scooping out the thingamajig.
Yeah, you know. I gotta find by thingamajig. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.